How to clear system data storage and cache on your Windows. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can clear system data storage and cache on your Windows if your PC is running slow or out of storage. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you could use Storage Sense in your Windows. For that, you have to open up Settings, click on the search icon, search for Settings. So once you open up settings in your device, navigate to the menu bar on your left hand side, then click on system. Once you're here, now you have to click on stories. Under storage, scroll down and under storage management, make sure that you turn on storage sense if it is turned off. This will help clean the temporary files automatically. So once the process is complete, you can click on temporary files to manually delete all of your keys, data, old files and more. So if you click on this, here you have to go to see advanced options, scroll to it and search for temporary files, select it. Here you have temporary files. You could unselect all of this and select temporary files, and after that you have to click on clean or remove files, and that will remove your temporary files and will clear the glitches or cache. So that was the first option. Now the second option is to use the disk cleanup. Click on the search icon. Now search for disk cleanup and then open it up. From here select your C drive, click on OK. Now you have to check this boxes for again the temporary files, then click on OK, and that's gonna delete the cache from your device as well. So that was the second option. Now at last what you have to do is you have to restart your PC in order to complete the cleanup process. Once you clean up your temporary file or cache, restart your PC, and that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.